Hello everyone! Today we are going to be talking about collagen and its properties for skin, hair, and general body rejuvenation. We are going to make a hair conditioner and a face mask with collagen shampoo, and a very delicious and healthy dessert with collagen. So why do we need collagen? Collagen builds a lot of different proteins in your body. It strengthens your connective tissues and improves its elasticity. And the older we get, the less collagen is being produced in our body. Our joints get harsher. Our ligaments and skin get way less elastic. And we are going to build up the collagen in our body with the help of gelatin. Now a little bit more about gelatin. It contains a lot of useful stuff for your body. Lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamins. While cooking, gelatin is mainly used to thicken a substance. When being warmed up, it has a gluey texture, and while you cool it down, it forms jelly. Gelatin is very healthy for our body. It speeds up the metabolism, improves your brain activity, and slows down aging processes. But it's mainly known to speed up the process of bone and joints recovery and improving their mobility and elasticity in general. Therefore, dishes containing gelatin will be especially helpful for those who had a bone injury. Now that I've told you all the good things about gelatin, we are going to make a face mask. We are going to use one gelatin base both for the face mask and for the hair conditioner. Take 1 tablespoon of gelatin and add 50 milliliters of cold water to it. Let it sit for half an hour and then warm it up so that the gelatin could dissolve. For the face mask, you are going to need 2 tablespoons of gelatin base, 2 teaspoons of sour cream, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of linen flour. Mix it all together till the even consistency and apply to your cleansed skin. Apply it to your face. This face mask is very gentle and you have a rejuvenating effect both from the linen and gelatin. It works great for dry to normal skin type. It will hydrate and nutrition your skin, smoothen out tiny wrinkles. You can also apply this face mask around your eyes. If you have an oily skin, you can change the recipe a little bit and add corn or potato starch instead of the linen flour. Leave this face mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. And while I'm leaving this face mask on, I'm just gonna tell you how to make a collagen hair conditioner, which will make your hair shiny and smooth. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of gelatin base, 2 tablespoons of your favorite hair conditioner, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. You could also replace lemon juice with apple cider vinegar. Mix it all together and apply to your clean, wet hair. And leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes. I love applying this hair conditioner to my hair while having a face mask on in a bathtub. You can also add the gelatin base to your favorite shampoo. It will make your hair look healthier. I personally don't use shampoo and I have already talked to you about it in one of my previous videos. So if you want to know why, just watch the video. Instead of shampoo, I use rye flour with lemon juice and gelatin base. Mixed it all together and apply it to my hair. Leave it on for several minutes and then rinse it off. If you have already tried this recipe as well, please comment below about your experience. The next rejuvenating recipe is going to be about a delicious dessert where I used almond milk as a base. Take 2 tablespoons of gelatin and add 100 milliliters of cold water to it. Let it sit for half an hour. I make my almond milk myself, so you're going to need almonds. I soaked it for several hours before putting it into a blender. Put it into a food processor, then add 2 glasses of water and break it together till the even consistency. Then put this liquid through a filter. Add 1 banana to the blender and your almond milk. Heat up your gelatin base so that the gelatin melts and add it to the mixture. Pour the resulting liquid into the bowls of your choice. And add some fruit. I chose some oranges and some peaches. Put it in the fridge for several hours and enjoy. You can make this dessert experimenting with the recipe as much as you want. For example, to the almond milk you can add some dates and some cocoa powder and you will get a perfect chocolate mousse. So you can also enjoy it with your kids. So 20 minutes passed and I'm going to rinse off my face mask with warm water. After that, apply your favorite face toner or hydrolate. I told you how to make hydrolate in my previous video, so if you have already tried, please comment below about your experience. So those were my 5 recipes with a natural collagen in it. Those were face mask, hair conditioner, 2 types of hair shampoo, and the dessert. Using those 5 recipes, you will improve the state of your skin and hair. So if you found those recipes useful, make sure that you gave this video a thumbs up and shared it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be the first one to see our newest video.